Buying stuff at work sucks. Picture this. A $50,000 contract lands on your desk. You're thinking, what is this vendor? Did anyone negotiate this? Has legal even seen it? For 98% of US businesses, the purchasing process is a maze of forms, email chains, and unknowns. It's why instead of going through the process, employees go around it, leaving finance teams in the dark. Ramp changes that. We're giving you the power of an entire purchasing team. Employees just ask, and Ramp does the rest, sourcing the right vendors, reviewing the contract, and doing the homework for you. Once it's time to renew, Ramp flags it, benchmarks the price, tells you how many people use it and what they think, helping you negotiate. The AI purchasing team every company deserves.